The court could have said, we need to fix this problem because of our refusal to grant the test, because your lordship said we will not stay the floor test. We will make it subject to our judgment. And your lordships would have been in a position to correct what went wrong. My lord, I know it's a much more mundane world in boardrooms and in company general meetings, but the principle is the same. Somebody says so and so should not be allowed to vote. Your lordship said count his vote separately, and we'll see what happens to the resolution. And the reason is, my lord, suppose he had contested the floor test and lost by 70 votes. All this becomes academic. Yes, if they have defected, is the sin of defection purged? Maybe not. So, my lord, that's the first point which I wanted to make. If that has happened, then if I am right there, that your lordship cannot and should not embark on any but-for assumptions here. Because we do not know what would have happened on that fateful afternoon. Please, my lord, consider another scenario. I'm only giving these not because I'm saying this would have happened. I'm saying this could have happened. Only to persuade your lordship not to go down this road. Let's take another scenario. These 16 were guilty of overt act. They did not show up for a meeting. Somebody says that constitutes abandoning your party. Another 20 people may have done something by which you say they have done an overt act. What do you know is lurking in the minds of others? Look at what happened, and I'm just to buttress this point, Manoj. Look at what happened when Shinde came for his floor test. 13 of hardcore so-called supporters of Mr. Thackeray abstained from voting, which basically meant it strengthened his hands. Now, these things happen in public life. How do you know how many more were not harboring the intention of walking away that